Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the meta process description within the Department for Production Engineering. All processes within the Department for Production Engineering are based on the booking system. In the booking system, all machinery, measurement instruments, or meeting rooms are listed. The booking system contains links to all the files associated with the particular asset. The files are stored on box and can be accessed by any user and can be used in order to educate and examine the users of those equipment. Let's quickly go through an example of what this looks like. So this is the booking system, where we can find our measurement instruments and the machinery. And in the table below, bookings can be made, and once one has logged onto the system, one can find additional information, such as the link to the files associated with the asset or the person responsible for it. Then, on box, all files, such as process descriptions, data from the manufacturer, or CAD files, are uploaded. Here you can find, for example, a list of processes associated with the ABB IRB 6700. Let's have a look at the Training for Research license, which needs to be gone through in order for a person to obtain a research license, meaning that a person is allowed to use the ABB IRB 6700 for research purposes. This is the process description, where the trainee, that is the person meant to be educated about the usage of the asset, needs to contact the trainer, who will then see to it that the person can receive the right information. And the trainee has to educate themselves about laboratory safety, robot cell safety, and robot operation. All of these documents are in the same folder on box. And then the person must be examined in order to show their merit about the safe operation of industrial manipulators. And there are, generally speaking, two options for that. And that is when it comes to research or master thesis students or teaching assistants. There exists a Canvas course which is called IIP Säkerhetsföreskrifter. People such as the master thesis student Fahad can be added to this course, and then they can take the quiz, for example the IIP Robotic Manipulator Examination, to obtain a research license. Then on Canvas, we have an overview whether the person has done the quiz and has successfully passed the quiz and is knowledgeable within the field. In case one does not intend to educate master thesis students or teaching assistants, but students that are part of a course that already exists on Canvas, one can of course also add the module in itself to the Canvas course and then have students take the same test there. As for example, in an ongoing course in this current semester, where we have a diluted version, that is a simpler version of those quizzes for the laser tracker and the robotic manipulator operation, as this will be part of one of the laboratories that the students are going to go through.